Good morning and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. It is Wednesday, so we are doing Inner Child Wednesday, Inner Child Healing Wednesday, as and then we will continue with the A Such of God meditations for the rest of this week. So let us begin with understanding. We start all our meditations with a prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. If you know them, please say them with me. Otherwise, just repeat them in your mind after me. We'll go into a very simple guided meditation where we will lift ourselves up above our body and take a look to our left. Upon looking to our left, which is symbolic of our past, we will notice a part that we need to address. It could be something from very small childhood where you don't quite have logical memories of, just feelings, to just something that happened the other day. And you can move back to that younger self, whether it's a one-day younger self or one-day old younger self, and hold that self and speak to that self and heal it by listening. The key here is to listen to how you heard and felt the past from the past. And in the present, be able to bring the loving support and understanding to the past. And it's most important that we're bringing in the love, but we can't do that without listening. So we'll take a few moments of silence to really listen before moving forward. At the end of the silent period, you will hear the chimes, as always, so I do not jolt you out of your quiet place. Then we will pull ourselves back into our bodies, rolling the energy in our mind from our feet up the front of our body, rolling it up to the top of our head, and then again from our heels up our back and over our head, rolling the energy to tighten ourselves up. Closing, of course, with the 23rd Psalm. All right, there's the standard directions, guys. Let's get started. Take a deep breath. And begin to relax. Close your eyes and just let it go. Take another deep breath. And while exhaling, invite yourself to relax, let go, and clear all blocks. Now scan your body in your mind's eye. Just scan your body from the top of your head, going down. Notice if there's any tightness in your neck, your shoulders, your wrist, your jaw. These are places we hold tightness. And just bring your attention to that spot and invite your body to relax and let go. Notice how your body follows your mind. Mind is the builder. Our thoughts are things. They're very powerful. Now that we're completely relaxed, let us pull ourselves into that beautiful stream of light and energy that runs through our body from the top of our head, out our feet, constantly flowing through. Let us just stand in that flow and begin. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. From this peaceful flow of energy that provides all we need, we notice that not all of it absorbs into our body. Not all of the abundance is accepted. Not all of the peace and joy do we accept. We allow it to float out again. Let us take a look, glancing to the left side of our body, from within our body. Where are we blocking this beautiful flow from being absorbed? Where in our past is there such an upset, such a decision, that somehow we believe it and therefore we block this flow? Let us move with our mind's eye to that place, still within our body, just moving to the past, to the younger you. Let us listen now. Listen with a gentle heart to what the younger you is saying. Respond to your younger self when you feel it's necessary. Explain how you are stronger, more wise, and can handle the situation and take away the wound. But be sure to feel it in your heart, not just in your head. Feel in your heart how it's so different. You can take care of this. And that this younger you need not ever be concerned about it again. Now start to hug and hold your child or younger self if you have not already. Feel the healing and the merging of your two bodies coming together as one, because you really should never have been separated. Your younger self was always a part of you, just separated. Healing this block, this memory, you're pulling it in and becoming whole from a stronger, more sound spiritual place. Bring yourself back to the present moment, now within your body, aware of the chair you are sitting in, aware that you are whole. Another missing piece has been returned. Now glance and notice that that block is no longer there, and the abundance and the joy can flow easily into that part of your life. In your mind's eye, reach down and start to roll the energy up the front of your body as we prepare to close. And in the back of you, from your heel to the top of your head and over your head, let us roll the energy. Becoming fully aware, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you for joining me this morning for today's meditation. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Have a blessed and wonderful Christmas season. This is only day 2 of 12. Have a great day. Bye now.